Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change voice prompt language for your speaker Lenovo L01. So, by default, the speaker use Chinese language, and to swap to English, because there is only one available option, so you have only two languages for the voice prompts, Chinese and English. So, to swap to English, you need to press 5 times the power button. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I should make it again, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
English.
And as you can hear, it changed to English. So if I turn off, I will hear English voice prompt.
Power off.
Yeah, and it worked. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!